I'm feeding my two doggy. This is Chow Mao. This is Chow Chow. Chow Chow, are you hungry now? You gonna eat now? Yes, this Chow Chow is very special. Ito yung pagkain ni Chow Chow. Chicken, veggie, kamote, gulay. Okay. I guess Chow Mao naman is this one dog food, but we put little bit of chicken. Just share a little bit. Then put a little bit of kamote. Then a little bit. Then just right. Okay, that's Chow Mao. Here. See, good boy. Okay. See, and here it is. Okay. Then the other one is Chow Chow. Good girl. The Chow Chow is in here. She wanna eat this. Aww, chicken, potato, and veggie. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Okay, Chow Chow, eat. Good girl. This girl. Okay, so the girl. Bite. Hurry up. Okay, that is eating. This is special food. That's it. Okay. Ito na yung mga alaga kong mga ano. Anyway, I will look at my... What is the time now? Oh, 30 minutes. Almost finished. My stew beef. Okay, ta-da!